Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the new addition to the LSP Signature Newborn set, the Newborn Skin Perfecto Action. This takes around 20 seconds to run, but the results are absolutely astonishing. And this will allow you to fix all sorts of skin problems in your newborn without removing any of the original skin texture, so your baby won't look too plastic or like a doll. You can still keep the original skin texture there. This image is rather underexposed, so I can use the other actions to fix that. But for now, I just want to show you the Newborn Skin Perfecto. So as you can see, it's already chosen the white brush for me. I'm going to go on 100% opacity, 33% flow. And you can already see spots, blemishes and all sorts of things like that are starting to be removed from this baby. So I'm just lightly painting over here. I'm going to use the blotchy skin action here to tone down some of the blotches. I'm going to play the LSP Reduce the Reds action as well and run this over baby. This is just taking some of those reds out. I'm going to use the Milky Bright action here, just to brighten up this baby. The toner, this will take some more of the reds out and give baby a nice warm skin. Contrast is always good to add a little bit of contrast back. Detail pop, I'm going to use this on the eyes. Here, as you can see, this will pop those details right back out of the frame. And any other details you wish to highlight on your photo. For even softer skin, I'm going to use the softer skin. This will really add a creamy softness to the skin if there's any areas that you feel you want to soften a little bit more. I'm using blotchy skin here. Softer skin, so this is playing the LSP Newborn Skin Perfecto and going through that. And I've added one more Reduce the Reds in just for effect. So I'm going to duplicate the background so we can see where we were originally, which is here, and that's where we've ended up. And just to fix these last little bits, I'm going to come on Patch Tool and use the LSP Select and Fix action, which I can activate just by hitting the F2 key. So these last little areas, anywhere that hasn't been quite fixed. And here. I may use Peachy Skin Magic just to even out the skin tone even more. As you can see, it plays super quick, and this will pop a nice peachy toner over your image. So I'm just painting that onto the skin. This is a very quick base edit. Obviously, I can spend more time editing this image and perfecting all the areas that that I've left for now. But for now, I'm really very happy with that edit. And I'm going to come down here and play subtle contrast just to give the image a little bit more edge. So let's see where we were before and after in less than 3 minutes. Before, after. And that is using the LSP Signature Newborn Collection for Photoshop. Available at www.lsp-actions.com.